Locals of Ijairong village under Hauchong subdivision in Noni district handed over fresh hill vegetables to internally displaced persons, IDPs staying at relief camp. Village chairman Sirei Bariamtag said Inpui community offered the vegetables with the belief that indigenous people are blood related and one. The donation took place at Lambui Khungnangkok market. He recalled that, as told by ancestors, Inpui and Meitei communities once lived together peacefully but began drifting apart with the arrival of Christianity and Hinduism. He said the assistance was extended to support the IDPs with love and solidarity.
Yamna critical over Matamasida, Hauchongi, Jerome Kundagi, Shiraba, Chino, Mayamana, IDP Singna, Jayani Makai, and Awana, Kandana, Sabak, the Kandana Laposida, Kogi Maketagi, Yawana, Matanda, I think Pankui, Haba, Wakalo, Nugaluna, Tamlaba Polam, Drug Lord Amagi Changa, Kunda Topa, Potop, Mayamama, you don't Kundi, Kunisina, Anamamba, Topira Kanda, Koida Mating Pangana with Damta, Pubira Pasi, documenting. Hagat pa pudok chari benana hariba sigumba thogo singasina lamdam asida khundaminariba yellow group singi marakta leinariba mari singasi hena chesalhanba amana amada awana thok matamda mating pangnaba mama hakta koi noni tamilongda chingnam namkhaiba matamda tapaki miyamna chalaga mating pangba asi koi tapalomda muawana ta kanda chingdagi lapiraga mating pangbibagi sigumba thok singasina toidana tung koinai koi nusi chanana leminaba ngamnanabagi chepa thajabadu amjari.
Speaking on the occasion, Kokomi convener Khuraijam Athouba said the assistance provided by Ijairong locals to IDPs will help strengthen the bond between indigenous people. He emphasized that extending assistance in difficult times among indigenous people is key to long-term peaceful coexistence. He continued that Kokomi and committees of IDP will widely distribute the assistance provided today to internally displaced persons. Churachandpur Meitei United Committee convener M. Baleshwar extended gratitude to Ijairong locals for providing assistance to internally displaced persons. He believed that such humanitarian service will continue to strengthen the bond between brothers and promote peaceful existence in the state.
Meitei parida hansi niramada heri haina Meitei cherau pada au yadraba Meitei cherau pada putu heri se Manipur kana ka su leite akoi kun ta khakta se supply pi ba se Meitei cherau pada heri pu thok ba se Jairong haiba chama ki kun sina so aga Meitei cherau bala de asoi su hai kharawe ado Meitei cherau bagi heri se asi Meitei ning thona sino ko bor kuba kun oyo haina khambi bagi de heri se Manipur ko ya da chatlaga charga khangani khoi khungi natna mahau atai su leite cherau bagi wari si an sing tu ina di bagi kongun si dirak pani hado wai si kena tamga
Ijairong Hauchong khungi chairman na thingba ahalaman mayam lakuna ikoi IDP singa hogi awana taraga singa mating pangbagi araiba angamba khanadang oisu piba lakpu gi ikoi IDP gi mayam si represent toraga ina hanna thagat phongdok chari